While not as well known as dumbbells and barbells, kettlebell weights are among the most versatile and fun pieces of workout equipment you'll find. There are many kettlebells to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best kettlebells from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Bowflex SelectTech Kettlebell. If you want a set of kettlebells but don't have the room for a whole rack of weights, Bowflex's SelectTech is a great option. This system can go from 8 to 40 pounds with the twist of a dial. Weight options are 8, 12, 20, 25, 35, and 40 pounds. This system gives you 6 kettlebells but takes up the space of 1. The weights switch quickly and easily with the turn of the dial. This is great for adjusting for different movements or even slightly dropping the weight for your last set. The design makes it more fragile. It's not likely to survive a drop, especially when fully loaded. And the larger size makes it feel awkward in overhead or AB movements like Russian twists. Bowflex's SelectTech 840 is a convenient way to store multiple weights in a small space. Just make sure not to drop that bad boy.
Number 2. Best Choice 3-Piece Kettlebell Set. The Best Choice 3-Piece Kettlebell Set from Best Choice is a solid option for people who are just starting. This set comes with 3 kettlebells weighing 5, 10, and 15 pounds, along with a storage rack. These weights work well for newbies who want to dial their form down before they go bigger. They are also ideal for HIIT classes that require lightweight and high repetitions. The 3 bells allow you to go heavier as you progress, and the low cost allows you to upgrade without breaking the bank. The Best Choice 3-Piece Kettlebell Set will likely be too light for experienced athletes, but if you're just starting, this set is a great option. Number 3. Bionic Body Soft Kettlebell. If you want to protect your floors, the Bionic Body Soft Kettlebell is an option. The leather bag and weighted filling are much softer than traditional metal kettlebells. The large handle fits both hands for swings. It's smoother than most handles we've tried, so there's a greater risk of slipping. A bit of tape on the handle will solve this without issue. The softer body is great for working out on hardwood floors, as the bottom won't scratch it when you set it down or drop it. It's also much safer for working on tile or concrete floors since dropping it won't chip or crack surfaces. Also, the soft body felt great against the forearms on overhead movements during testing. We've seen reports of the delivered weight being off by 2 or 3 pounds, and the faux leather shows wear more than cast iron. Number 4. Kettle Grip Kettlebell. The Kettle Grip is a great option if you already have a set of dumbbells lying around. This device clips around the handle of any dumbbell and turns it into a makeshift kettlebell. It's easy to pack, so it works well for frequent travelers who don't want to skip their kettlebell training in a hotel gym. At $35, it adds versatility to a rack of dumbbells, and it gives you a full set of kettlebells that take up no additional space. The handle wraps and secures around the grip of a dumbbell. This adds a kettlebell-style handle to the dumbbell, making it useful for swings, snatches, and other movements. While they're a great space saver, it's good to note that the dumbbell has a wider profile than the body of traditional kettlebells. Number 5. Amazon Basics Cast Iron Kettlebell. If you're building your gym on a budget, the cast iron kettlebell weight from Amazon Basics is a great choice for the price. While similar in price to the higher-end kettlebells on this list, Amazon's free shipping and returns with Prime make it a great buy. Made from solid cast iron, the bell itself is extremely durable. The painted exterior is textured and helps prevent corrosion. We appreciate the wide, textured grip, which easily fits both hands even on the smallest bell. The bottom is flat to prevent wobble, and the sides are flat for comfort on overhead movements. The only issues we've had with the cast iron kettlebell weight are in the build quality. Some come in with sharp ends left on the handles from the casting process. This can lead to discomfort and cuts on high repetition workouts. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.